My name's James Dixon-Box. I'm the Operations Director at the Marsham Court Hotel. For quite a while, I've wanted to bring the hotel forward in terms of sustainability, and with Climate Essentials and BCP coming together to offer us this opportunity, it was the best time to do it. The reason I've wanted to focus on sustainability within the building, I have a real passion for it personally. I really feel like we should all be doing our bit to look at the future, and that's not only a good thing in terms of the world and the environment, but actually it makes good business sense. A number of the things that we've done to look at our sustainability have actually reduced our costs. In terms of, for example, the paper reduction, as much as you might take an initial investment to come up with digital options, once you've done that, actually the cost reductions moving forward are massive. Here at the Marsham Court, we actually have a group called Crew who come together to look at, amongst other things, sustainability within the business. What Climate Essentials will do for us is actually increase our visibility of what we're doing right and wrong, and it will actually help to inform that crew on what they can do moving forward to really make an impact on the business. We were onboarded very quickly, which was great. I don't like to hang around. Initially it seemed quite overwhelming at first, but once you started getting into it, actually it was a lot easier than it first looked, and it didn't take us long to get some really good results. As much as we could see before what we were saving in terms of the amount of paper or the amount of food waste that was going out of the building being produced, we didn't really have any visibility over what that meant in terms of our carbon footprint. What Climate Essentials has done is given us key figures to actually look at specifically our emissions. One of the key factors that we looked at with Climate Essentials once we were there was our food waste. It was something that we weren't very good at before, and it's something that's been a real focus of our crew team to reduce the amount of food waste there is at the end of each shift, but also ensuring that the team are really splitting up the food waste from the general waste. There was a lot of food waste going into general waste before, and what that's actually done is not only reduced the amount of food waste that goes into landfill, but also it's actually massively reduced our costs, because food waste is the heaviest waste that you produce, and when that was going into general waste, it was actually causing us overweight fees. At the moment, I feel like we're quite early in our journey with Climate Essentials, but we're already seeing an impact. What our plans are now moving forward is to really drill down into that, and what Climate Essentials is allowing us to do is to come up with some long-term goals as well as the short-term goals. The short-term goals are ones that we can engage our team with within the building. Our longer-term goals are about facilities and real conversations with our waste management companies on how we can improve what we're doing day to day. In terms of what we're doing within the building on the short-term goals, a lot of it is to do with energy consumption, making sure we're turning off all the lights and things like that. That's really important for us in our conference and event spaces, particularly because Climate Essentials showed us some of the savings that we could have within our energy usage. We're actually putting in another software piece which monitors our energy usage specifically by half-an-hour slots, so we can see where and when it's being used, so we can really drill down with the team onto how we can save energy in various points of the day in various parts of the building.